Hi, I'm Hannah and this is my mum, brother and dad. This year we're trading in a hot Australian summer for a European winter, but today we're
traveling from New York to London.
Okay guys, so we're flying United tomorrow from New York to London, and I'm gonna see, well we're looking at right now, how much it is to upgrade to business class. So we fly out tomorrow afternoon and none of us have repacked any of our suitcases, so they look like this. That's my suitcase and that's Daniel's suitcase. Pretty crazy. We're taking a bus to the airport and we're not going to get food before because there's nothing around that's healthy, and we've been eating fast food for the past, 5 days maybe, so not good. The rain is getting heavier and we can't find the bus stop. Look at my coat, it's not even waterproof. We don't know how the buses actually work here,
Airport Express.
but we're trying to get to the airport. We don't know if you have to prepay or anything.
Documenting. Okay, so we can catch the 1, 2, 3.
Okay guys, we got our lunch and we're catching a train to the airport now. So I just want to say, about right after we took off, they gave you a drink of your choice, and then they also gave you some pretzels, and then they just gave you water with this. But I'd rather them just give you a drink now, that you choose, because we just only had the pretzels 10 minutes ago, and now we're having dinner, so.
We have our dinner here aboard the United flight. We weren't sure if we'd actually get food or if we'd have to pay for food, but we do get food and we didn't have to pay for it. So we got the chicken, which looks interesting, and some sort of couscous salad, a roll, and a cookie. So let's try it. A bit hot. Is it good? It's okay. There's not heaps of flavour, but there's enough. It's not as good as the Qantas meal. That was just next level. But it's okay.
Out of 10, how do you rate it for airplane?
For airplane food, 6.
Okay, so for breakfast, we had the choice of a turkey or vegetarian muffin. And is that what it's called? Yeah, I don't know, whatever you want to call it. And then I got the turkey one, so let's see how it is. And my Ava leaves now.
Oh, you can't
You
see.
probably can't see, but there was a big city back there. Not a big, but a little city back there before. Anyways, this is an 8 out of 10 maybe on the plain food scale.
We are on a train to Greenwich, and apparently they don't use this as a first class train all the time, even though it says first class. How you going? Good. It's pretty cool. The first class train has a little table. It's pretty nice.